I'm playing a game called Island Royale. So let's get into this. So first we go to some squad. Let's go. So let's go. I have played this game once just to check it out and like this place I got. Anyway. So notes. I have got a kill on that anyway. So yeah, let's go and play. Hope I see you guys when I'm on. Let's go. Bye. Okay. Okay guys, joining server. So, the guy who made this game is Lord George. Check him on Twitter and Facebook and other. Yeah, he made this game. That is insane. Just go and you can see it. Wait. Look at this. How cool this is. This is insane, see? Look at that, everything. Look at that, that's one. Hey. Are we gonna ride this again? We can ride this. I'm breaking it down. Run! Run! Ooh. The map down there. Guys, I'll go to it. Then go to the map. Nice speed. Yeah, got speed. Oh yeah. I'm actually on it. Town. This is town. What are you doing? Can I break? Breaking. Well guys, let's go into this. Whoa. Okay guys, we're in here, can you see? Nice. Looking good. This is a nice thing. Nice bus. But how's it flying? Oh yeah. But how's it moving? I do not know how it's moving, guys. But let's just jump. Let's go. No, I'm gonna go down there. Just as a really cool place down there. Let's go. Wow, open up parachute for me. Wow, after that just took it off. A chest. Tattoo rifle. First rifle. This does look like a store. Is it a store anyway? Nobody knows. But it is good. Get a silent pistol. Okay, so let's take away this. 17 people left away. 0 kills. Wasn't a nice start. Get the map. Okay, I'm in the circle. Is it called the storm? No, guys, yeah, so if you want that, you can go and press that subscribe button and that, so hope you enjoy this video. Yeah. Good. I'm using this. I'm going to try to sneak this up on me. And there. Hey, sneak. Sneaky. Yeah, what does the build look like? Oh, I have never seen the build. This is ace. Okay, so got my shotgun. Be somebody on my team there. Should I go to them? Oh. I'll shoot him. Oh! You're fighting me! No! Yeah! Yes! Kill! One kill already. What a nice start. Oh, I died. We came 11th. Nice. That was nice. Yeah, guys, I hope you liked this video though. Okay, so this is the version of Fortnite. You all get it. It's 100 roblox and it's called no Unreal. Yeah, pretty cool. Seed. I do not know what that said. Right, I'm to level 2. Leaderboard. No, guys, I'm gonna do duos. Let's go. Oh, straight away. Sugar is sweet. Sweet is tasty, guys. Yeah, you guys like sugar. To join the server. Take me up. Whoa, people shooting at me. Whoa. So I'm going to trick the devil now. I'm jumping to that city, hey? Into that city, getting anything from there. Well, maybe not. Yeah, not this time. You guys, don't look. You dare get stuck in the grass. You dare. You dare get stuck in the grass, yeah? You dare get stuck in the grass. If you do, what have I just told you anyway? Yahoo! Oh, I see a city. See the city. Oh, I thought that I didn't go. So, very. I'm guessing we're gonna come out of this side. The other side. Alright. Come on, please. Oh, we were. Yes. It's because of that weird mouse. Okay, I've got no wood. No power. I like that the other one we got a kill though. That was good. That was fun anyway. Okay, let's go to this place down here. Funky forest this is. Funky forest. Go. Look. Somebody's here. Look. Whoa. That guy cannot even see me. I'm trying to get that guy. I was doing my dance. So, what's happening to my screen? She does. This guy's better than me. Well guys, I hope you liked this video and I'll see you later in another video. This is going to wrap up the video today. Bye!